What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Smooth Vlogs here, and we're about to head to Caffeine and Octane. I'm not sure how the weather's gonna hold up, but I'm not sure how long we're gonna last because it's cold, rainy, and windy outside, and those combinations does not work here in Georgia. So I'll catch you guys when we're there. All right, what is up, YouTube? As you can see, I switched to my phone because it's raining pretty bad. So I'm not sure how much I'm gonna record, but just a little video. I want to show you guys just some of the cars here. So I'll catch you guys when we over there. And it's rainy and windy and cold. Real, I guess you could say, oh, I can't hold my umbrella up. This feels like London for real. Oh, man. Oh, I done missed it. I missed it. Alright, so we back in the car, as you guys can see. Caffeine and Octane for this month basically rained out because it's cold, it's windy, and it's raining. It's nasty weather. I take a sip. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day here on the video. So if you guys enjoyed, I know it was a short video, please like, subscribe, and comment what you guys want to see in the next video. And peace out.